Yes, good afternoon, YouTubers. Yeah, long time I don't do anything, so I'm gonna do this video now. Video on this food. It's my granddaughter's birthday tomorrow, Shania. So I'm gonna do some jerk chicken for her tomorrow. When I'm doing the rice and peas, I will show you. So I'm gonna do it up now. This is my jerk sauce that I make from scratch. Make my Jamaican jerk sauce. So you can see it. Look at it. The real one. Real jerk sauce. Smell it. Kill your nose. Okay? Yeah. Real jerk sauce this. This is the real one. So I have this one I put already. So I'm gonna do some scotchy, garlic, onion, some thyme. You can see. You can see the thyme, right? So ginger powder and sprinkle on it. I always use that. I can cook without ginger. Yeah, I use actual ginger too. This is my garlic powder. Although I'm using my garlic same way. So you can see, right? Yes. So I'm gonna put now to the bone, season to the bone jerk sauce, jerk powder, and Jamaican jerk season, and chicken season in one. I make it so it's the blast. This is the blast. Okay? You hear this name? This is the blast. Wicked and nice chicken. Okay? When you eat this chicken, you can't stop eating it. Okay? This is my pimento. Right? I already put some clove on it already. You know? Everybody do their thing different. I do my own different, right? So, this is the way I do mine. So, I'd like you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way. Aunty Clair, I'm now putting in some browning. Okay? This is what you have to have in it, right? So, that's what I'm putting in now. Yeah? Yeah. Okay? And a little soy sauce also too. Yes? So, when you get this chicken, very nice. Right? So, I want you to like it and share. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do our team. So I'm cutting up. You can see the scotchy pepper. Right? So this is the thing what I put in it too. So tastes good. When you get it, you like it. Okay? Garlic. This is the antibiotic for meat. So just know that I have a lot of garlic. I cook with a lot of garlic. Can't cook without garlic. Right? So just like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Comment down below. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Aunty Clair Christmas jerk chicken. Right? So just like up the video.